In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix closed iCloud tabs still showing in Safari. The first thing we need to do is to open the settings application. Now you want to click on your name at the very top. Once you've done this, you want to find iCloud and tap into that. Now you want to find where it says save to iCloud and tap into that. Here you see a list of all of the applications and settings that sync to your iCloud account. So what we'll need to do is scroll down until we find Safari, and we simply want to toggle this option off. When you do that, you will see this prompt, so you want to read through this, and once you're ready, you want to click on delete from my iPhone. So now we've waited about 10 seconds or so, we simply want to toggle this option back on. And then it's going to begin to sync everything from your iCloud account back onto your iPhone. So now we've done this, we can exit out of the system settings, and if we go back to Safari, it's going to refresh, and then your iCloud tab should no longer show inside of the Safari settings. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.